Let's talk for a minute about the pit in your stomach, the one that shows up right as you're about to level up. You know, when you find the house, when you think that the numbers work, but then the what ifs move in. What if I'm overpaying? What if rates drop next month? What if I'm making the biggest mistake of my life? And so if you're second guessing yourself, congratulations, you're human. But here's the problem. In the mortgage world, second guessing you costs you money. It costs you the house, it costs you the rate, it costs you your peace of mind. And so today we're gonna shift from, is this the best deal, to is this the best deal for me? Because those are two incredibly different questions. And so if you've been watching this channel so far this year, you know that our theme and one of the things we're really trying to dig into is making sure that we're on the right metric of trying to improve our financial picture, our financial decisions, finding financial self-trust. And that's exactly what we want to talk about and go into today. So let's talk for a minute about why we stall. And this is kind of an expert's perspective. So I see this every single day. Smart, capable professionals, doctors, teachers, lawyers, business owners, they run empires. They're people who are crazy well organized. They are masters of their craft. But when they get ready to do a mortgage application or any really large financial transaction for that matter, they often freeze. And why is that? Well, because the industry is designed to make you feel small. It's designed to basically tell you that what you know about yourself, you don't actually know. And so it's designed to make you feel like you need some secret decoder ring to understand what a closing disclosure is, or all these crazy financial documents, legal documents that you're signing. And so when you don't have clarity, you have doubt. And when you have doubt, you stall. You say, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this. I am not sure if this is a financial decision that I should make. And then remember that we have to add to it for a minute that in 2026, there is a massive amount of noise. Everybody has different opinions and everybody has all of these ways of doing things that, you know, are the cheat sheet to get yourself ahead, or you know, doom and gloom, fear, etc. It's just super unnecessary because you literally have every single thing built inside of you to make really good decisions. You just need information and clarity to partner with this. And I literally remember having a client who spent 6 freaking months watching the market. She was so afraid of missing the perfect lower interest rate that she literally missed out on $40,000 of equity and growth on the house that she wanted. And she was trying to outsmart the market, and instead of just trusting her strategy of when buying the house is aligned. Because let me tell you something. I work in the mortgage industry and there's no such thing as the perfect time, because I don't have the lowest possible interest rate. And I don't always make the exact perfect decision when it comes to when I make a financial move. And so no offense to you, but unless you are a financial guru or somebody who is willing to spend an exorbitant amount of time to try to figure out when the exact perfect moment is, I honestly would just recommend you stop throwing yourself into that crazy hamster wheel that you're on, because it's just gonna freaking make you nuts.
Stay tuned. We'll be back right after this message from our sponsors.
Imagine having the power to control your financial destiny, no matter where you start. Welcome to the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform, where financial education is tailored to your unique journey. We cover everything you need, from basic budgeting and saving strategies to advanced investing and retirement planning. Learn at your own pace with lessons that match your level of experience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial knowledge, join our community of learners and benefit from shared insights and expert guidance. The Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform equips you with the skills and confidence to take charge of your financial future. Ready to master your finances? Enroll in our courses today at the Financial Mastery Simplified course and resource platform. Start your path to financial independence now.
Visit us at fms.tips and fms.college for more information.
Hello and welcome to PBJ Mortgage, where your home ownership dreams become reality. Today, we want to share why choosing PBJ Mortgage is the right choice for your home financing needs. At PBJ Mortgage, we're built on a foundation of values that drive us every day. Our commitment to educate, empathize, and empower our clients sets us apart in the mortgage industry. Our clients are at the heart of everything we do, and their success stories speak volumes. With years of experience, our team possesses in-depth knowledge of the mortgage programs, ensuring you receive expert guidance and the best possible rates. We offer a diverse range of loan options to suit your unique needs, including conventional, FHA, VA, and more. No matter your situation, we've got a solution. At PBJ Mortgage, we pride ourselves on providing personalized service. Our dedicated loan officers are here to guide you every step of the way, making the process as smooth as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We understand that time is of the essence, which is why we've streamlined our processes for efficiency and convenience. Transparency and clear communication are paramount. You'll always know where you stand throughout your mortgage journey. Reach out to us today to set up a call to discover your options. If you're ready to make your home ownership dreams a reality, contact PBJ Mortgage today. Let us empower you during this exciting journey. Phone number 4693733-107 www.pbjteam.com. Visit our website or give us a call to get started. We look forward to helping you secure your future home. PBJ Mortgage, where home begins.
Thanks for your patience.
And so, what are going to be some of the steps to certainty? Like, how do we stop the spiral, so to speak? So let's talk about that for a minute. And so, to separate the math from the myth, the media sells fear. And I need to say that again so you hear it loud and clear. The media sells fear. Your bank statement sells facts. When we look at your stress-free monthly payment, whatever number this is that you have thought about, that you have talked over, that you've prayed about, that number is what you let you sleep at night, regardless of what the Fed is doing, regardless of what the market is doing, regardless of what interest rates are doing, all of that. It is literally irrelevant. So focus on your genius zone. Your job is to pick a home where your kids will grow up, where you will build your home office, where you will make memories. And my job is to handle the back end chaos. You don't have to worry about that. You just have to have really good, really solid information that has cut through the jargon, that allows you to make a really good and well-informed decision, and then pass it off to a person who can deal with the chaos, who can deal with all the nonsense. And so if you're going to try to do my job, which is all the underwriting what ifs and what's happening on the back end, you will lose your focus on life and you will stress yourself out way more than you needed to. And so the PBJ chess, it's just pretty simple. If a strategy is so complex that you can't explain it to your best friend, if it's a cookie cutter solution that doesn't fit you, neither one of those is a good thing. We are only offering products that make sense for you, your terms, what you've told us fits your life. It's not what Jacqueline or Jax Kreider thinks that you should do. It is based on the information that you've provided to me. What is the strategy that is going to work? And so the mortgage strategy is your terms and not theirs. Because who you work with, because a real expert guide gives you the confidence to say yes or no and not having to look back, because we're not just approving loans, we're structuring them. And if you're worried about rates, we can talk to you about some options on what it looks like if you buy down the interest rate. What does that look like? What does potential refinancing down the path look like? Are you comfortable with your numbers now? And if you're worried about cash, we're going to look at what options are going to be for seller concessions or things like this. And so when you are taking out a mortgage, there are tons of options. Confidence comes from having a plan A and a plan B and a Jacqueline's Got My Back plan C. We help create that for you, because you aren't just a file or a number to us. We're people who love people who just happen to do mortgage. And so I don't want you to keep second guessing yourself that is keeping you in a rental or in a house that you've outgrown, or telling you that you need to make the decision to buy a house when you're not there yet, right? You are capable and you are ready, and you don't have to do it alone. So when you reach this point, this precipice, when you are like, you know what, regardless of what the media is feeding me and what my family members said and what all the things say, I feel like in my gut, this is the time. This is when I should do the thing. So if you're ready for that reset, that confidence reset, please book a call with our team and let's look at the facts and leave all the what ifs at the door when it comes to mortgage. And if you haven't done it yet, we would also love for you to download Mortgage 101, the secret sauce to home buying, so you can understand exactly how it works. Because when you start second guessing yourself when it comes to everything mortgage, you're going to find that everything starts making sense. Because the truth is, you are always capable. The experts just take that capability and take it across the finish line. That's what our job is. Our job is to minimize the chaos, to simplify it down. And we're going to do exactly just that for you.